Hello my friends, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. My name is Daniela and I help women get into know their hormones in order to achieve optimal health and body composition. So today, more pizza making, more egg white pizza making. So basically I wanted to experiment a little bit more with this amazing recipe from Nili. Go and have a look at the original one. I basically wanted to try making some calzone, some like pizza pockets. So basically, as you could see from the beginning, I succeeded with 2. So I'm gonna give you the tricks of how to succeed making these pizza pockets, which then can become ham and cheese pockets, empanadas, like anything you can stuff them with anything you want, carnivore, non-carnivore. Let's have a look how to make these pizza pockets or calzone, and how I saved the rest. I made these like mini pizzas, which were they were awesome as well. So everything came out really delicious. The usual recipe. So I made double, which is 2 tablespoons of beef gelatin, 6 tablespoons of egg white protein powder, and half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of water. As an extra ingredient, I added a pinch of turmeric just to make the dough less white, just to give it a yellowish kind of doughy color. Totally optional, of course. And then I used the pan, which I usually use the oven grill, but this time basically the way I made it is that I only cooked it on one side. So I made these crepes, let's say, as thin as possible, and I only cooked them on one side, and I left the other side raw, so it remained like sticky. So I basically cooked them all on one side, put them to the side. You basically try and do it at like low, medium heat, so they don't cook too fast, so you're able to spread the dough out, the butter out quite thin. Then when they're all cooked, you basically put the stuffing in, which for me was like a bit of tomato, a bit of mozzarella cheese, some hot dogs, and then you squish it to you try and close it together. You can also use some of the leftover butter as glue. It really does work, but the reason why I only made 2 is because this the pizza bases, the dough, call it whatever you want, they dry up so fast, and once they're dry they don't stick anymore. So what you could do is either cook one, make one calzone, put it to the side and make the second one, or get someone to help you, you cook it, they stick. Because yes, once they are dry, that's it. There's nothing makes them stick together, at least nothing that I tried, because I tried to make even more of glue with beef gelatin and egg protein powder and water, but just they would not stick. So if you think of any other trick, let me know. But yeah, that should have succeeded. I basically put a little bit of tomato sauce and a bit of Parmesan cheese on top, and then I cooked all the mini pizzas and everything in the air fryer, and they came out amazing. Everything came out delicious, particularly of course the calzone, because you get that stuffing in, gooey mozzarella and all that. If you use some low moisture cheese, is even better, because my mozzarella was a bit watery, but I couldn't find the low moisture mozzarella this time in the supermarket. But yeah, all in all, even the mini pizzas, they were delicious. So definitely worth making if you're making for a pizza, for a party, or for your kids and stuff like that. They're gonna love it. So much bioavailable animal protein there, lean protein. So yeah, no matter how you do it, if you try to make the calzone or just the mini pizza, they're gonna come great. But yeah, let me know in the comments below, what would you stuff your calzone with? Would you make something else we did. This did sparked an idea for you. And yeah, I would love to hear from you in the comments below. I also invite you to check out the rest of my channel. I put so much content up, mostly focused on hormones, women's health, carnivore diet, keto diet, so go and have a look at that as well. But yeah, I thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you next time.